Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Altima and I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your traction control. These are front wheel drive vehicles, so typically you do something like that depending on like maybe terrain you're driving in. Say you're driving on a lot of snow and ice, that might be a situation you might not want the traction control on, for example. So the icon's going to display here if it's off. So right now it's on this vehicle. To turn it off, over here to the left, you've got these here, and then you're going to look below, and then it's a little bit dark here, so if I get a light, but right here this symbol's for traction control, so we'll push it and then you'll see it appear on the dash. So if that's lit up, you know it's off, and then you just push it again if you want it on, and then you should be able to toggle between this while you're driving as well, so you don't need to be parked. Anyways, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a great day.